Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the weekly essay assignments that you will complete through week 2, this week of the semester, all the way down to the last week of the semester, week 6. All right, let's scroll back up to week 2. And here we are right here. Now it's important to point out that all of the essay assignments are set up the same way. At the top of the weekly module, we have the text for the essay, and you can see that this is set up also in week 3. The text are at the top, and all the way down to week 6, the text are at the top. Okay, going back to week 2, I'm going to go ahead and click on these texts. And here are the weekly text that you will read for this week's essay. They're right here, contained in links, okay? I'm going to click back on week 2 and go into the actual essay assignment. And here we are in Essay 1, How to Write a College Level Essay, 2 Drafts of Student Essay. All right, so regardless what the essay topic is, all of the essay assignments are set up in the same format. Below the assignment summary here, you have this video that you're listening to, how to complete this assignment. Scrolling down, we have assignment notes. These assignment notes are helpful information, such as where to find the rubric for this assignment in these 3 dots here. You would click on Show Rubric, and there it is right there, how this assignment will be graded. Okay. Scrolling past the assignment notes, we see that the essay is due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, and there are directions below exactly what you need to do for this essay. And we have peer evaluations that are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, and there is a link here to the peer evaluation directions. Okay, I'm going to click back on week 2, which will take us back into modules. And I'm going to remind you that I have Zoom office hours, and they're Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 2 p.m. and by appointment. If you have a question about any of the essay assignments, I'm here. I'm also going to click on Zoom, and I'm going to remind you that every Wednesday at 6 p.m. I have a Zoom. It's optional. It's 5 extra credit points, and I focus on the weekly essay assignment. So, again, it's optional. You don't have to join us, but if you do, any questions, any concerns you have, I will go over the essay. All right, let's go back to home, which takes us into modules, and let's begin work on this week's essay, Essay 1, and please don't forget to click on the week 2 text that you will need for this assignment. All right. I hope you engage in meaningful learning this week and learn more about what a college level essay is.